mixture will fix her. Quiet. Are you okay? Well, almost better.やっぱり牛乳は武蔵野牛乳ね。ですわね。だね。
だな。
牛乳飲めばすべて解決。バストアップ。汗もできるようになるかな。
もちろんだ。ね。
She's totally disgusting.
Let's go find that Caesar fella to fall in love with me.
You must refine your manners. And no burping.
A lot's happened since I started high school, but my time has come at last. From now on, I'll live with confidence.
We're the perfect match. This is beyond me.
Dog.
Go Lola! Biggest burp! That was a magician! Look! They can't stop eating! So long, Sylvia! It was so nice to eat you! Excuse me!